Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing good. So if you don't like anyone or if you want to confuse anyone, you just show them how to trade in Bank Nifty. You don't have to do anything. He will automatically, everything will happen to him. He will get stressed. He will get crazy, and you will have to take him to a psychiatrist within 1 week or 1 month. That is the amount of volatility in the stock Bank Nifty. That is what is happening in the Bank Nifty. You have to be a genius guy, you have to be a child who doesn't know anything about any Bank Nifty or trading, or you have to be a mad guy. Obviously, if you trade in Bank Nifty, you will become mad one day. That is what is happening in Bank Nifty, right? Last 3 days it is shooting from around 1000 points, and today alone it is come down by around 300 points. So that is the amount of volatility in the Bank Nifty. And I was no wonder 35,500 call writing is happening. Bank Nifty is at 35,900 and people are writing 35,500 calls. So that is something very interesting which I haven't seen in recent times. So I think people are super bullish, and retailers want to take the market on the upside. And all this is happening without the support of FIIs. Now, earlier what used to happen is FII used to buy and DII used to sell, and now FIIs are selling, DIIs are buying. But the difference is, whenever FIIs are buying, they used to buy in huge quantity, but DIIs used to sell in less quantity. They will not match. If, say for example, FIIs have bought for 1500 crores, DIIs would not be selling for 1500 crores, maybe 1200 crores or 1100 crores. Now what is happening is FIIs are selling more and more. Maybe they are selling for 1000 crores, 1500 crores, but DIIs are buying for around 600, 700 or 900 crores only. So there is a difference in their buying style and selling style, right? Now, if FIIs are not taking the market, then who else is taking the market? So people are there. There are so many talks that retailers are taking the market on the upside. Is it true? I don't know. Maybe it can happen. But what is very interesting is, without the FII support, markets are moving on the upside. If FIIs are supporting, then where we can be? Maybe we will be seeing 16,000 or 16,200. It doesn't mean that I am bullish. I may be bullish or I may be neutral. So I have decided not to tell very confidently or very in conviction that I am bullish or I am bearish. So you know what will happen then. So I am not going into that. So we will see what happens. Let the market go wherever it wants. We will try our best to manage the position, or we will just book losses and come out. Yeah, that is what we can do. Best thing, we will manage the position. Otherwise, we will come out of the trade. And today Nifty was all day trying to be above 15,900. In fact, after the European market opened, it came below 15,900. It came around 15,850, right? That area. Now 15,900 is being a crucial support. People, price action is considering that 15,900 is going to be a super support. That is why lots of price action, lots of volatility around this 15,900 area. Now we have to sustain above 15,900 to go to 16,000. But what the OI data is telling is that there are more number of call writing. 16,000 is having more number of call. 16,200 is having 16,003, all the way till 16,500 people are writing call. And in Bank Nifty, as I told you, Bank Nifty is at 35,900 or 700. People are writing 35,500 calls. So call writing is happening in Bank Nifty. Aggressively they are writing calls in Bank Nifty. So I think Bank Nifty is really in a positive mood. And what happened today is that because of Reliance only, I would say rather because of Reliance only, Nifty was able to hold above 15,900. Otherwise, we would have gone below 15,900. Reliance was up by around 1%. So we had so Nifty was able to support and be above 15,900. Apart from that, there is no special news today. And in Bank Nifty, all the banking packs were in the red. Not a single stock. Maybe SBI and Axis Bank and some other banks were in the green. Apart from that, there was no big movement in Bank Nifty. So advanced decline ratio was in favor of declining stock in Bank Nifty. So we could see this slippage, Bank Nifty slipping to lower levels. So we'll have to wait and see on Monday what is going to happen. If everything is okay, if we are getting global support from global market, then we may go to 16,000, right? That is what we are expecting. Let us see how things span out. And as you may know, there's this jobless claim report and few other things, and coronavirus, Delta variant, all are the concern now. So people are uncertain, and we are moving without the support of FIIs, which is also a good news. Maybe retailers are taking the market on the upside. So let's see what happens. And let's see the open interest chart. As I told you, 16,000, there is a good chance that market there will be a resistance at 16,000. If not a resistance, there should be some reversal or rejection in this area. And I mean, what I was saying is 16,000 highest open interest is seen at 16,000, and on the downside 15,900. So it's a tight range. We'll have to wait and watch. So I have a 16,000 straddle also in Nifty 18th expiry, not 18th, 22nd expiry. I have a straddle at 16,000. Let's see what happens. And on the downside 15,900, 15,800, 15,700, and on the upside 16,000, right? And on weekly, what I observed is, see, market is at around 35,900, and people are writing 35,500 call, 35,800 call, 35,900 call. So this 36,000 could be regarded as a resistance. Then what is this? Why should people write 35,500 calls? So that is something very peculiar. And open interest wise, 36,000 is having the highest call OI at 1.7 million, and on the downside 35,500 is having the highest open interest, right? So this is the Bank Nifty chart. As you may know, you see it is opening at 35, almost at 36,000, comes all the way down to 35,700, then goes up by 100 points, then comes down by 200 points. So Bank Nifty was going everywhere, each and everywhere. It is not manageable. It's very hard to manage Bank Nifty. So in this type of situation, I can tell you can go and do a ratio spread on the call side or even in the put side. Maybe if the market is shooting up, you can go and sell 36,000 call option. You can buy 36,000 call option, and you can maybe go and sell 36,500 call option, maybe 2 lots or 3 lots or 4 lots. It's up to you according to your risk appetite. So that if the market closes above 36,000 or between 36,000 to 36,500, you will make money both in the call option and in the option. See, 36,500 call option which you have sold also. So that could be also a good idea. So try it out. Let me see. I'll also do some strategies. Maybe we will from Monday we will tell some strategies in every video, so that everybody benefits also. So that's it for today. Have a nice weekend. Take care. Bye.